The best 3D printers for small businesses offer a range of features and capabilities, depending on specific needs. For automatic material systems, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon stands out, with its potent printing capabilities, advanced features like micro-litter and filament cutter, and auto-calibration. It is faster than other versions and produces high-quality output, thanks to its all-metal hot end and abrasion-resistant hardened steel nozzle, which can handle demanding materials like glass and fiber composites. Although it costs $1,449, including materials, its exceptional quality and speed make it well worth the investment. For volume production, the Raise 3D Pro 3 Plus is a top choice, known for its extra high build volume, allowing for incredibly fast printing of various products. This reliable printer features interchangeable nozzles, meeting the demands of any project, and producing detailed, smooth parts. Its built-in cooling fan and consistent print quality enable it to work with various materials, making it suitable for small business professionals seeking a versatile, high-performance 3D printer. The current market price is $7,600, including all accessories and materials. For professional-level printing on a budget, the Creality Ender 5S1 3D printer is a great option. It offers higher efficiency, with 2000 ms² acceleration, and eco-friendly solutions, such as low power consumption, while printing quality models. The direct extrusion feature provides uniform 80N extrusion force, and the hot end can withstand extreme temperatures. This printer is also convenient to transport, thanks to its two handy carry handles. Priced at $559, it is the most affordable 3D printer for a small business. Ultimately, the top pick is the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, due to its automatic material system, multicolored printing capability, and ease of use. Please note that prices are subject to change and may not remain current in the future.